we'll guide you through how to create zoom transitions in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and import the video clips you want to work with. Once your clips are in the timeline, identify the point where you want the zoom transition to start. Split the clip at this point by selecting the clip and clicking the scissors icon. Now, move to the Effects tab on the left pane. Here, you'll find a variety of effects, but we're interested in the zoom effects. Scroll down until you find the zoom category. Click on it, and you'll see options like zoom in and zoom out. Drag and drop the zoom in effect onto the section of the clip where you want the transition to start. You can adjust the duration of the effect by dragging its edges on the timeline, making it longer or shorter depending on how fast or slow you want the zoom transition to be. Next, click on the clip, and in the top right panel, you'll see the effect controls. Here you can fine-tune the strength and speed of the zoom for a more dramatic or subtle effect. Play the clip to see how the transition looks. If it's not quite right, you can always adjust the effect settings until it fits perfectly. For a smooth transition, make sure the end of the zoom effect aligns with a natural break or change in your video. Once you're satisfied, export your video by clicking the Export button at the top right corner. Save it in your desired format and quality. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.